Hello everyone, welcome back to the Selenium tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to do text input. So to enter some kind of text into the text box, we need to execute one simple command. Basically we have to call a method that calls send keys, and in double quotes or as a string we have to enter desirable text. So please take a look on the screen. As you can see, we have a lot of operations with text input. So let's say we want to fill up some kind of form and enter first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. Right? So once we found element, right, we have done a process of finding elements before, and before we were creating web element and then we were trying to click on it and etc. Right? Um, as of now, we can also directly manipulate with the elements in the one line. Basically, we don't have to separately create web element. So we can do even like this. So this part up to the send keys are clear means find element and then enter some kind of text into that element. Clear input box, right? Click on the element, etc. So let's do some kind of practice. Let's come back to IntelliJ. I'm gonna create new Java class. So what I'm gonna create, enter text demo. Okay, so what I'm gonna create over here, just a main method. Okay, so we have main method. Then what we need, I'll just copy the previous. Oops, I then need to open WebDriver over here. Okay, and then next we'll say driver.get to open some URL. Okay, and which URL we're gonna open? We will go to practice website and sign up page. Sign up for mailing list here. So I'm gonna insert this URL. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we need to enter full name, email in order to sign up for mailing list, right? So just click inspect, and in order to enter some kind of text, first of all I need to find elements. So based on what I can find based on name. So name, there is a locator, right? There is locator strategy, and this is the value. This is the value of name, right? So this is how I'm gonna find this full name. So let me come back over here. I will say web element full name equals to driver find element by name, and this is the value of name, full name. And then either we can do it in the one line or we can do it separately. Full name send keys to enter text, or before we can just to double check that input box is clean, there is no text, so we can just clear it, and then full name send keys, and let's say test user. Then same thing we're gonna do to find locator for email. Type email, name email. Okay, so this, okay, looks like it's unique. There's only type email, email name value. So we're gonna use it to find this element. Web element email equals to driver find element by name, and this is the value of name, email. Okay, then once we found that email input box, we can clear it just in case, and then email dot send keys to send actual email, right? To enter email. So we'll say test email at email.com. Okay. And then at the end we have to find sign up button locator. So this is wooden spoon name. We can find based on this value, based on the locator name. And as you can see, there is a button tag name, right? So this is stands for button, and there is something called type, and type is submit. So that means this button is responsible for this form, and this form is supposed to get the data from the user, for example, right, and transfer this data to the server. So click on the button that has type submit, supposed to trigger post request, right? This request that will send data to the server. This kind of buttons you can click in two ways, right? You can either use simple click action like we used before, or we can use submit method instead of click. So we'll say sign up. By name. And then we'll say sign up. We can either click, just to click on it, right? Or we can call method submit. So this submit action works with the buttons that have type submit. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, so as you can see, it worked and it brought us to the different window, right? Sign up confirmation window. Okay, so before running it, let's maximize window, manage, window, maximize, and let's run it. Okay, as you can see, it works, everything is good, perfect. Right, guys, thank you very much for watching this short video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.